I'm so thirsty. Let me drink some water. Did I just drink the water? Nope. This is called chugging. Chugging means drinking water all at once without stopping. And I am feeling much better. Now, that's called sipping. Sipping means drinking slow and small sips of water. It's the opposite of chugging. And that's called slurping. Loud, proud, and totally noisy. So, slurping means drinking noisily, often with a straw. Sometimes you slurp your noodles too. Japan, I'm coming to slurp your noodles. Now, I'm gulping the water because who's got time? Not me. Gulping means drinking large amounts quickly, especially when you're in a hurry. So, how do you drink your water?